M-Techno presents Sherhan CM-1728, a machine for the automatic shaping and rectilinear and curvilinear cutting of sheet glass. Benefits of this model include fully Russified and easy-to-use software. It is controlled via a Windows PC and is equipped with a German-made industrial controller. The machine uses HPGL file format. All cutting files are prepared using CorelDRAW or another similar graphic vector editor. The machine's rigid, welded design provides a high level of stability during operation. The linear guides, made in Taiwan, as well as the Japanese-made Oriental stepper motors operating in micro-step mode, make the machine's carriage transitions smooth and its overall operation as precise as possible. The machine also includes an air cushion and pneumatic positioners for the glass. The air cushion is created by a powerful, low-noise fan, which provides a maximum airflow distribution, allowing the glass to move smoothly along the surface. The positioners situate the sheet glass on the table easily and precisely. Sherhan CM-1728 model specifications. The work area measures 1,700 by 2,800 millimeters. The external dimensions are 1.9 by 3 by 1.2 meters. The machine operates at a speed of up to 40 meters per minute. The positioning precision is 0.2 millimeters. The machine can work with glass up to 19 millimeters thick. The net weight of the machine is 400 kilograms. The gross weight of the machine is 500 kilograms. The packaging dimensions are 2.2 by 3.1 by 1.3 meters. The voltage rating is 220 volts. The power consumption is 1.5 kilowatts. Sherhan CM-1728 cuts lines and curves in glass quickly and flawlessly. What people can't do, Sherhan can.